Hello everyone, if your PC run very slow and hello everyone, if your PC start up very slow and you wanna to make it faster, it's 2 easy steps. We're gonna learn how to do it in this video. Before we start, please, if you enjoy the video, hit like button, subscribe the channel, much appreciate for you. Let's start. First one is gonna be go to search and then type control panel. On control panel, go to power option. Power option, choose what the power buttons do, and then you see that turn on fast startup. You can't change it unless you click on this one, then you can change it. If it's off, just make it on. Let's go to second one. It's hit right button here and go to task manager, and on startup just disable whatever application you not use it, because all this running on startup and they gonna make your PC startup very slow. And these two options, I hope so they're gonna help you and make your computer startup very fast. Please, if you enjoy it and learn something new, hit like button, subscribe the channel. See you in next video.